Introducing the 2008 Lexus ES 350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 25,000 miles. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.